Let me show you easily the best extremely high quality yet very affordable sponges that you can basically get on the market. And when I say the best, I really mean because yeah, these are actually my favorite and I have ordered these multiple times. And the best part about these actually is the price. For example, the set of 5 for example costs like only like $1 on AliExpress and Temu. So I'll leave links where you can get these so for the cheapest price. And if you get again like set of 10 or even more, so then even like cheaper. So again like 10 of these cost like sometimes even a bit less than $2. So and considering how huge these are, I mean it's absolutely insane what we're actually getting. So by the way, in the listings, these say there are some kind of seaweed sponges, but I have no idea why they say that, because this isn't any seaweed. So I have no idea what this actually is. So basically we have 3 layers here. So basically like a real decent like regular sponge over here, and these also last like a very long time. And basically what I like compared to other sponges, these like do not fall apart basically as these pieces. So if you have used some other sponge, you'll probably know that after some time basically they peel off and basically become unusable essentially. And again, this actually isn't metal. On some other sponges this is like very rough metal, so it can scratch up your pants, pots or whatever you want to wash. But again, this is some kind, I really have no idea what this material is. So they say some kind of seaweed, but it's not like natural seaweed, so I really have no idea. But actually it's still very gentle, so it won't scratch a lot of stuff, but again still it actually has good like rubbing power. So I think when it comes to performance, these really are probably one of the best. And basically the size of these, I mean, it's absolutely huge. So what I usually do is I even take like a scissors and cut it in half, and then essentially I have then 2 sponges, because I think the size is actually like, yeah, way too huge basically. So maybe if you prefer the big sponge, that's okay, but I prefer like tiny sponge essentially. So I even cut them in half, and even at half size they're actually like really decent. So if you're wondering if you should get these, then definitely, yep, out of all these sponge you can get these. I think they're a top class. So if they were sold in some kind of shop, basically they would easily cost like maybe like $10 for a set of 10. So again, if you follow the links on AliExpress and Temu, you can literally get these for like 20 cents per piece. And for the size and for the material we get, and also basically considering how long these actually last, I mean they're absolutely superb. Anyway, good luck.